The purpose of this video tutorial is to help you get started creating your very own child themes for PremiumPress themes. Child themes are simply extra designs and website templates that replace the existing ones for your PremiumPress theme, allowing you to create your own customized and unique website designs. All of the existing child themes for your PremiumPress theme can be found in the admin area under General Setup, Child Theme / Website Template. By selecting a child theme from the drop-down menu, you can change the appearance of your PremiumPress website. This video tutorial is designed to help you create your very own new child theme, which benefits you during theme update options, allowing you to ensure your child theme is not compromised and files are not changed when we create and add new functionality to the core PremiumPress themes. Before we begin creating our new PremiumPress child theme, we must understand a little about the structure of WordPress files and folders. In front of me, we have a default installation of WordPress. The files found here are those installed as part of the installation for WordPress. All of the themes you install into WordPress are always found in the folder wp-content, themes, and here you'll find a list of all of the themes you've installed into WordPress. The PremiumPress themes are no different to any of the other WordPress themes. However, child themes are always found within the subfolder of your PremiumPress theme. So, for example, if we have a look at ShopperPress and click on Themes, here we will find a list of all of the child themes for ShopperPress. You will notice the themes are set up as ShopperPress hyphen and then the name of the child theme. If we go back to our admin area and take a look at our child theme hyphen website template drop-down, you will notice the names within here correspond to the names within the themes folder of our ShopperPress theme. For example, we have ShopperPress-alive-car-shop, which is the alive theme for the car shop. If I go to the admin area, you'll see that hyphen has been removed and replaced with a space. So instead we have alive car shop. The structure is the same for all child themes within our PremiumPress setup. So if, for example, we go back to our themes folder within our WordPress installation and click on DirectoryPress, we can then click on the themes to view all of the child themes for DirectoryPress, and you'll notice the same setup is here, DirectoryPress hyphen and then the name of our child theme. If we go back to ShopperPress and double click again on the themes, we can just have a browse and view at some of the other child themes that are available. So we have, for example, Camera Shopper, Computer Shopper, Bubbles Blue, and go back to the admin area of our WordPress website again, we can confirm we have the Camera Shopper, Computer Shopper, and Bubbles Blue. If, for example, I go ahead and delete the Bubbles Blue, and then refresh the admin area of our website, you will now notice that Bubbles Blue is not visible within the drop-down list for child themes. The system will automatically recognize all new folders within the themes folder of your ShopperPress themes setup and add those as a drop-down option within the admin area. So to create and begin setting up your new child theme, we simply create a new folder called ShopperPress hyphen and then any name that I want for my new child theme. If I want there to be a space, I simply use another hyphen. So, for example, ShopperPress theme. Noticing that the hyphens will then be replaced with a space. If I then go back to the admin area and refresh, I will now notice there is a new option and a new child theme selectable in the admin area. Here, example, ShopperPress theme. You'll notice that there are no thumbnail options yet available, and we'll show you how to set up those within the next video tutorial. Now that we have created our first child theme folder within our PremiumPress core theme, we now need to understand a little bit about the files and folders that we need to add into that new child theme. So we'll do this by beginning at looking at some of the existing child themes and what content has been added to those folders. If we go back to our WordPress ShopperPress theme, which is obviously, if I go back to the main site, it's WP Content, Themes. Since we're using ShopperPress, I'll be using the ShopperPress one, and then using the Themes folder within ShopperPress, I can then take a look at some of the child themes for our ShopperPress installation. Now, before I look at the one we've just set up, which is the example ShopperPress theme, let's take a look at some of the other ones to show you some of the content that has been added. Let's start with the ShopperPress alive-car-shop. Now, inside this child theme for ShopperPress, we have a screenshot.png, which generates the screenshot image for the actual theme. So by creating a file called screenshot within our child theme, and then going back to the admin area of our WordPress installation, when we select the child theme from the drop-down list, you'll notice the screenshot here changes. And this simply uses that screenshot.png file that you've added to your child theme. So if we take this for an example and go back to our example ShopperPress theme, as you see at the moment there is no screenshot. And if I go back to my folder, you'll see the folder is blank, so there's no screenshot. If I simply copy a screenshot.png file from an existing child theme and then put it into our newly created child theme, go back to the admin area and refresh, you will now see that it's taking this screenshot image and using that as our screenshot image for our new child theme. So what you would normally do is create your child theme layout and design first, and then take a screenshot, give it a name screenshot.png, and then add that to your new child theme folder. Let's take a look at some of the other files and folders within our example child themes. If we go back to our Alive Car Shop, you'll notice two very important files and folders. There is one called CSS folder, and within that folder we have a styles.css file. There is another very important one called images, and within this folder you'll find all of the images for this child theme. And these two folders are very important, and the naming is also very important. When you create a child theme for your PremiumPress theme, you should have one folder called CSS, and all of the CSS content should be stored within a file called styles.css, and it's case sensitive to ensure that the file name is in lowercase. All of the images is best kept within a folder called images within the child theme. So the basic content within your child theme should be a CSS folder and an images folder. The CSS folder storing the styling and the images storing the images. So to begin, I'm going to copy these two folders over to my new child theme. So now in our new child theme we have a folder called CSS and another one called images, and we have a screenshot of our child theme, which at the moment isn't accurate, but it's just an example. What will happen is when this child theme is loaded, all of the styles for your website will then be taken from the styles.css file within your child theme, and all of the child theme extra styling and extra images will then obviously be loaded from this images folder. So if we go back to our website and load up our new child theme, scroll down and click on save, then refresh our website. Now you'll see that all of the new styles for our website are loaded from this style sheet here within this CSS folder. So if I quickly go ahead and edit this and change the body, for example change it to red, and save this, refreshing my website now has a red background. This is because the styling has been taken from the style sheet within our child theme template. So this is the basic principle and content that would be available and should be added to your PremiumPress child theme.